Hello, this is Ricky with Service Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service light or the maintenance light and the maintenance options on a Nissan Quest. So now for step 1. You do this all from the buttons in the center console. Unfortunately, I didn't have a picture on the display, so I can't show you that, but yeah, moving on. First, you want to press Info, then scroll down to Maintenance and press Enter. Now for step 2, you can see engine oil, oil filter, tire and other reminders. Select engine oil and press Enter. Now for step 2, you're in engine oil, press reset distance. Then you want to press back and then scroll down to oil filter. Then you want to press reset distance there as well. You can also reset other maintenance options like cabin filter and whatever, but yeah, this should cover it, the engine oil and the oil filter. As soon as you're done, turn off the ignition, turn it back on, and your service light and maintenance options are now reset. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.